Happy Friday, everybody. I wanted to show you guys the coolest window job that I have been a part of. This is Incendiary Brewing Co., downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. You guys know how much I love doing artwork that spans across multiple window panels regardless of the window dividers, and that's exactly what we did here around the entire top windows of this building. To put it in perspective for you guys, this is over 300 square feet of window perf. I did my absolute best trying to catch time lapse of the install going. I just had to be mindful of people walking around. There's a lot of people walking around this area. I didn't want to have my tripod just out in the open in the middle of the sidewalk, so I got what I could. As you can see, some of these windows are so big that they have to be applied in sections, so like 2 panels of perf per one window. Now I want to talk about the design, and I just want to say it is absolutely beautiful, and that's all anybody said while they were walking by watching me do this, how stunning this design came out to be. I was so happy to be a part of that process. Full disclosure, this client already had a lot of their own design elements. I just had to arrange them in a fashion that looked good on these windows. Now for my favorite part, the reveal shots. Major shout out to Incendiary Brewing Co. Thanks so much for this opportunity. I'll see you guys soon.